Everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create invoices in Zoho Books. An invoice is a document you send to a customer to request payment for the product or the services. In Zoho Books, you can easily create professional invoices, send them to customers by email and track whether they are paid or unpaid. Creating invoices in Zoho Books helps you manage sales, track payments, and maintain accurate accounting record. So first, open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down zoho.com and enter it. Once you reach into this Zoho interface, on the right hand side we can find to this featured app. Go to this books here, and over here you can go to this access Zoho Books. Now you'll see the main dashboard with option like sales, purchases. In the left hand side, what you can do is simply go to this sales and find to this invoices here. Over here, select to this new invoice. You can set your transaction preference, and over here what you can do is you can simply set your transaction preferences and make sure it's all correct and select to this save and continue. And that is it. This is how you can create invoices in Zoho Books. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.